In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlink Facebook and Instagram accounts from each other. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, we need to open up Meta Account Center. We can open it up using our Facebook or Instagram app. On Instagram, first of all, go to your profile, tap at three lines, select Settings and Privacy. Then, towards the top of the screen, we can easily find Account Center. If we tap on it, we'll be moved to Meta Account Center. On Facebook app, go to Menu, tap at Gear to open up Settings, and then tap right here to open up Meta Account Center. You can use one of these two ways. Once you are at Meta Account Center, tap at Profiles, and that will show you all of your Meta Account Center profiles. As you can see, the first profile, that's actually my main profile, contains Facebook and Instagram accounts connected to each other or linked to each other, and the second profile has just one Instagram account connected. To unlink Facebook and Instagram accounts from each other, we need to open up that profile. Down below it shows my Facebook and Instagram account. We can tap at any of them. I'm gonna tap at Facebook, and all we have to do in order to unlink them is just tap right here next to Sync Profile Info. Tap at that toggle to turn it off, and then tap at Stop Syncing. After that, if we go to Profiles, we find that we have now 3 profiles here instead of 2, and that definitely means that we have successfully unlinked Facebook account from Instagram.